So, for today's video is actually hindi one of my favorite videos to do. It is my most favorite thing to do. Tayo ay mag-lipswatch at i-lipswatch natin Itechiwa. This is the Detail Cosmetics Satin Luxe Lite. So remember, meron tayong Satin Luxe, pero this one is the Lite. It's enriched with added hydrating power of shea butter, cocoa butter, and sweet almond oil. So it will hydrate your lips while giving you a sheer wash of color. It's cruelty-free, no animal-derived ingredients. So here's the funny thing, you guys. They have 6 shades. So nung in-add to cart ko siya, akala ko na-add to cart ko na lahat ng kompleto 6 shades. Apparently, I am missing 1 shade. So I don't know which one, pero we'll see as we go along the video. Pero for those na who wanna try this, but you're not sure anong shade na para sa'yo, sana makatulong itong video na to, okay? So without further ado, let's start. By the way, I would just like to commend yung packaging niya. Everything is white, tas ayan yung pangalan, and then that's it. Shade names sa ilalim. Super simple, minimalist, nothing too complicated, and I love it. Mukha siyang social, alam mo yun? So the first shade is Pink 8, and I feel like this is the lightest. So eto siya sa packaging. So etong itsura niya, swatched on my arm. Now let's try it on my lips. Oh my god, it is very light nga. I mean, compared dun sa first release, by the way, I have a lip swatch of that as well. Link down below, yung first release ng Satin Luxe. It is so pigmented. Pwede mong i-build up yung color. So, magmumukha siyang parang talagang solid lipstick, alam mo yon. Pero with this one, mas lighter nga yung feel. As in, mas madulas. Kinda a little bit oily-ish. Pero it's super dulas. Para kang nag-lip balm, literal lip balm lang talaga. Pero, you know, with a sheer wash of color. So this is Pink 8. Okay guys, so I therefore confirm na ang nawawala kong shade or yung kulang kong shade hindi ko na-add to cart is yung Peach Aid. Okay? Sayang. So moving on to the next shade, it's called Rose Latte. Ito, si Rose Latte. And this is Rose Latte, katabi ni Pink Aid. And as you can see, parang rosy-rosy din siya, parang ma-pink-pink. Pero you know, may hint of brown or mauve. Oh my god, you guys, I can't get over with how dulas it is on my lips. Like seriously, legit, ganyan. So this is Rose Latte, and this is like your lips but better. Well, depende on your skin tone, pero for my skin tone, this is like my lips but better. And I feel like kapag ka deep morena ka, baka medyo ma-wash out ito sa'yo. Baka mas bagay pa sa'yo itong brighter shade than this one. When it comes to the pink pero I love this. I love for my skin tone. And I like it. Yeah, I really do. So yeah, this is Rose Latte. Next shade we have is called a Soda Pop. This is what it looks like sa packaging. Ooh, it's kind of deeper. So eto si Soda Pop, and it's I think burnt orange entry, diba? So this is Soda Pop, and it's like, yeah, tama nga naman, soda. So it's like Coke, it's like root beer. It's like, well, it's also like iced tea pag ginawa mong lip chok. Eto yun. So parang siyang mala burnt orange. It's not my favorite, yeah, pero it's okay. It's not my favorite on me, but this could work on you. Light skin tones, papatok din to sa mga morena natin dyan. Lilitaw naman siya. So yeah, this is Soda Pop. Shade we have Apple Fizz. So this is Apple Fizz, the packaging. Oh my god, red entry ba ite? Ah yes, oh my god, this is Apple Fizz. You know, the typical lip tint red? Yep, this is it. Okay guys, so this is Apple Fizz on my lips and I feel like ito yung parang default or generic or the usual shade na you have to get. Kasi it's a pop of red. It's a very cute pop of color na bagay sa lahat ng skin tone, mapa pale, light, medium to morena, deep morena ka man, lilitaw at lilitaw to. And yeah, I think sa lahat ng shade, ito yung parang feeling ko the usual, the normal na, alam mo yun, kailangan mong kunin. Now, if you want to try it and you want to be on the safe side, which shade you want to get, this is definitely it. Apple Fizz. So yeah, this is Apple Fizz. And last but not the least, we have the Black Cherry Soda. Na I feel like ito yung pinaka-deep na shade. The packaging pa lang. Oh my god. Oh my god! So, this is Black Cherry Soda. And yes, obviously, siya yung pinaka-deep na shade. Pero I also love it. Kung tipo mo, yung mga tint na, you know, really deep, and siguro pagbasihan mo na rin yung skin tone mo. For morenas, mag-e-effect pa rin naman to para sa mga morena lovies natin dyan. I think both of the shades will work on our morena lovies. Pero I would also suggest na you get this one because for me personally, I love yung mga ganito ka-deep. This is also one of my favorites. Oh, buildable siya, ha? It got deeper, oh. So yeah, again, this is Black Cherry Soda. So, eto na lahat ng shade na meron ako ng Detail Cosmetics Satin Luxe Lite. And don't worry, next time, I will make sure na kompleto lahat ng shade bago ko i-check out. I hope nakatulong pa rin ako sa pagpili mo ng shade. Pero ako personally, yung mga nagustuhan ko talaga is the Rose Latte, the Apple Fizz, and itong Black Cherry Soda. For summery, ang taas ang sikat ng araw days, parang okay din gamitin itong si Pink Aid. Ang hindi ko masyadong napupusuan lang talaga is si Soda Pop. Oo, this one. Pero i-consider mo rin yung skin tone mo, yung preference mo. So, gotta push, buy na. But all in all, I do recommend itong Satin Luxe Lite. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Next video natin, iniisip ko pa akong base product or another Lipswatch. Basta ang dami. Ang dami nating products na kailangang i-showcase. But yeah, again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!